Have you ever wondered what would happen if a softset that happens to be a lawyer meet up with a cop that happens to be a no-nonsense cop and want to apply the law? If the two of them were to meet in public, what would happen? All right, well, here we have one of those videos. Let's go ahead and see what happens when this lawyer and this cop engage each other as far as the legalities of softsetology is concerned. Let's go ahead and see what happens.
You do need to have one. Do you have a license?
No, you can call your sergeant if you're unaware of how private and public law works, sir.
Okay.
I already have an existing lawsuit with the CHP, of which Bianco and I believe Gruwell is his name.
Okay.
Is your body cam on?
It is.
Awesome. I'm not IDing. I'm not required to ID.
Okay, well then you're going to come out of the car.
No, I'm not coming out the car, willfully.
Okay, well I'm going to drag you out of the car.
Just the start of the video, and I already like the cop. You don't come out, I'm going to pull you out. Simple but clear. Even a lawyer, a softset lawyer, can understand that, I believe.
Under what grounds? What
The
crime?
fact that you won't give me your ID.
What crime has been committed, sir?
You're refusing to come out of the car, but what are you saying here?
I'm asking you what crime has been committed, sir.
I just asked you for your license.
I'm not required to have a
You
license to travel, sir. Sir, please, I'm not.
You want to get out? Don't
Sir.
roll the window up on me.
Don't come in my private automobile,
Get out of the
sir.
car if you're not going to give me your ID.
I'm not willfully coming out, but I will comply commercially
Okay, well
under
then give me your
under
license.
threat, duress, and
Give
coercion.
me your license.
I don't have a license.
You don't have a license.
I'm not required to have a license.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know this guy's qualifications. I don't know what he does, what kind of law he does, but me personally, I would not hire this guy to represent me in a chicken fight. I'm just saying, I could be totally wrong. He could be the greatest lawyer out there that the world has ever seen. As far as I'm concerned, I do not trust him to present a chicken. That's just me.
You are
sir.
required.
Can you please call your sergeant on duty or your watch commander or the
Sure.
lieutenant, whoever you'd like to call?
March 79th, Sergeant, this way, please.
And by the way, this is all. I'm not resisting. I'm not.
Well, you're delaying my
Sir.
investigation because I'm simply asking for your ID.
Sir, there is no investigation. There is no
I
crime.
told you the reason I pulled you over is because you don't have California plates on your car.
Am I required to have plates?
You are. Under California Vehicle Code, you are.
Under California Vehicle Code Section 260, it says that only commercial vehicles are required to be registered.
Incorrect.
That is very correct, sir. I'm actually an attorney.
You're gonna give me your
I'm
ID?
actually an attorney. Sir.
Okay, that's fine.
So I'm positive that that's correct.
Okay.
California Code
You're gonna
Section
give me your ID?
Officer, Deputy.
You're gonna give me your ID?
What is your badge number, sir? And so you're stating that if I don't ID, what exactly are you going to do for me?
I'm
to
sorry?
me? What are you going to do to me if I don't ID?
You're gonna come out of the car
Why would I come out the car?
because you're refusing to identify yourself.
No, sir, I'm asking you a direct question. If I don't ID, you're threatening to drag me out of my private.
I will pull you out of the car if you don't willfully come out of the car.
So this guy's a lawyer. He says so. He says he's a lawyer. Yet he is arguing on the side of the road. Why? He knows this cop can do nothing to the. As far as the law is concerned, he can only apply what is on the books. So why would he argue with a cop? Not a very good student of the law. I think I could be wrong.
Threatening to
I'm not
drag me.
threatening. I'm just telling you what's going to happen.
I'm not under your jurisdiction, sir.
You are. I'm asking you to step out of the car if you're not going to provide me with an ID.
Sir,
So if you want to provide me an ID, then you can stay in the car.
What
I'm
is,
good with it.
What's the
But
crime,
if you're
sir?
not,
What is the crime?
we've already gone over this.
There's no crime, correct?
There is.
What is the crime?
You don't have a California.
That is not a
license plate.
crime, sir. That is a federal statute. That is a statute. That is an infraction. There is no crime.
Okay.
You have just pulled me over because I have private plates on the back of the car, which literally says,
Yeah, to you those are private plates and they say don't touch me. To the cops, however, it says I'm a dumbass. Come and arrest me. Just what it is.
DA Section 260, which literally says, because I have private plates on the back of the car, which literally says CA section 260, which literally says.
Are you going to give me your ID?
Sir, I'm trying to.
Or are we going to get out of the car?
I'm trying to communicate to you that you're violating my rights right now, and that you're acting straight up in complete conflict with the Constitution.
I told you why I pulled you over. I've identified myself as deputy with the Sheriff's Department. I've told you the reason for the stop. I'm asking you for your driver's license or ID, and you're refusing to give that to me. So if you refuse to give me your ID, then you're going to step out of the car, and so I can figure out who you are.
And I'm telling you that the only time that I'm actually required as a national/state citizen born here
incorrect.
to actually, no, it's not. I have Supreme Court rulings and actual personal cases that I've won that actually did. I've already noticed, Chad Bianco. If you actually call your commanding supervisor, they can tell you exactly about all of this, sir. Okay. It's not the first time I've seen you or you.
Put the car in park.
The car's not going. I'm not going anywhere.
Okay.
I'm not going anywhere.
Asking you to come out of the car without me having to forcefully take you out of the car.
If you choose to violate my rights and drag me out of this car after I've already communicated to you that I'm
refusing to identify yourself.
I'm not.
You have to identify. Yes, you are. This is a lawful detention. You're refusing to ID yourself.
Sir, so I'm not free to go, is what you're saying?
No, you're not free to go.
So I'm being arrested, actually.
You're not being arrested. You're detained at this point.
This is an arrest, sir.
I haven't told you you're under arrest. I've never said that.
If I'm not free to go, then I'm arrested.
No, there's detention and there's arrest.
That's incorrect. Sir, can you please call your sergeant on duty out here?
He's already on the way. Okay. But I can tell you that nothing's going to change when he gets here.
That's fine. I mean, that's called conspiracy, you know.
It's not conspiracy.
Yes, it is.
Give me your ID.
12 USC 242 and 241. Is your body?
Yeah, the conversation is getting a bit long. The cop should really start thinking about arresting this guy. He's not going to go anywhere else. He's going to get arrested.
Cam on, sir? And you're Sheriff Bowman?
That's me.
And you're complicit with this, correct?
Yeah, you need to get out of the car or give your ID up.
Why would I need to give my ID, sir?
What's that?
Why would I need to ID when I haven't committed a crime?
You're driving around in a vehicle with no license plate, no valid license plate.
It's not required to be. It's clearly displayed that
well, you can argue all you want, but that doesn't make it true.
It is.
That is absolutely right. You can argue as much as you want. On the side of the road, you're not going to change anything. These guys have a job to do, and they're going to have to do it. That's the law. As a lawyer, you should know that, I would think.
You're wrong. So it's fine that you want to be wrong, but you're going to get in trouble for being wrong. And now you're resisting, obstructing, and delaying 2 police officers.
What am I delaying?
In the course of their duties.
These are unlawful duties,
This is your decision. It's not my decision.
Did you want to call the Purvis Marshal or?
Lawful orders, and he's doing the same.
So, this lawyer, right? A good lawyer, in my opinion. I've dealt with him a few times in my life. And a good lawyer would be able to read the room. They would read the reaction of the judge, they'd read the action of the opposing parties, and he would sort of like change his tune to game them, to play them to my benefit. This guy is not doing that. It's just, I mean, he can see these 2 cops are serious in what they want to do. He can see that. And he's not going to budge. He's not going to give them a way out, an easy way to resolve the thing. No, he's not going to do that. Like I said, I don't think this is a world-class lawyer. I wouldn't hire this guy. My opinion. I mean, I just won't hire him.
You either give me your ID or get out of the car. You can choose.
So if I don't ID, you're going to drag me out of my car, is what you're saying?
I'm going to get you out of the car.
Well, I'm not willfully going to come.
That's fine.
Because this is a private automobile as displayed. But you're telling me that if I don't get out the car, you're going to drag me out the car, right?
I'm going to pull you out of the car.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and grab my paperwork now to show you.
Not one cop on that site right there with that stop cares about your paperwork. Don't worry about it. It's not their job to worry about that paperwork. They have to do their job, which is apply the law. And that's what they're doing, hopefully.
You can holster your weapon.
Okay.
You can holster your weapon.
Nobody asked you to reach for anything in your glove box.
I did this.
Where's your driver's license?
I don't have a driver's license, but I have a passport.
Okay, is it in there?
That's why I did this. I can get it for you. It's a big glove box.
Perfect.
See, I'm opening the glove box, sir. You can holster your weapon. It's just papers. Are you okay? This guy just unholstered.
I can't see what's underneath the paper.
Look at
But
this.
I have a gun in my holster
This
right
guy-
now. Does that make you feel better?
This guy just unholstered his weapon because I held my hand out, and this guy's saying he's going to drag me out of the vehicle because I'm driving in a
If you want
private
to
marked
narrate,
car.
you can do that later over the video. Let's get the ID so we can get going.
I'm preserving the record because I'm preserving my rights.
I don't really
sir.
care. Give me your ID, please.
So here's a passport
Okay.
with clear
Nobody
documentation.
cares.
See, that's just paperwork.
That
and
looks like
glasses.
somebody printed it out on a printer. That's not a real passport.
Nobody cares. You can print it out. This guy is good.
Give you the hard copy. Where's my license? Where's my wallet to get the passport?
I don't know.
Okay.
You're really making this difficult.
No, sir. I just know my rights, so I'm gonna grab my wallet right here. Okay. You don't need to get
Perfect.
the wallet. Okay.
Yes.
Just grabbing my wallet. Look, wallet. Passport card matching that.
Okay.
Stars on top indicating I'm a national, as passports are only issued to national.
Can I see that?
You can see it.
The passport.
Can I have it in my hand? So I can
Yeah,
make
hold
sure
on.
you
I'm
got
also
the
gonna.
driver's
I also have a notice for you, gentlemen, as well.
license? I don't need your notice. I need that.
Well,
I need your identification.
you must be noticed, sir. That's required by common law
I don't care about your
and
common law.
statute
Give me
law.
your driver's license.
Sir, did
Give me
you?
your passport.
Sir, did you take an oath to uphold the Constitution?
Can I have your passport, please?
Sir, did you take an oath to uphold?
I'm
the
not answering your
Constitution?
questions right now. This isn't. You're not detaining me. I'm detaining you.
So I'm
Give me your
arrested?
passport.
Am I arrested?
Give me your passport.
Am I arrested?
No, you're detained for the 5th time.
That means I'm arrested.
No, it doesn't.
I
It
can't.
means give me your passport. That's what it
You
means.
don't know the law, sir.
Okay, whatever.
There you
That's
go. You don't know the law, sir. I'm telling you.
Neither does you. Neither do you. I mean, that's just what it is. You also don't know the law, apparently. Apparently, that's the word to use in a situation like this. I'm told. Apparently, you do not know the law. I could be wrong, but I'll bet money. I'll bet money on that one. I think.
You guys have just violated my rights. I live right around the corner.
You have the registration for the car?
I'm gonna exercise my rights to remain silent at this point, and you guys can provide me counsel if you need it.
Oh, you got a misdemeanor warrant. Put your car in park.
There's no misdemeanor warrant.
There is. Put your car in park.
It's in park.
Okay. Step out of the car.
Sir, there's no misdemeanor warrant. What is the warrant? There is no misdemeanor warrant, sir.
I'm gonna take your seatbelt off and you're gonna step out, okay?
Okay.
You have a warrant for your arrest. Come on out.
I'm not resisting.
Okay, good. Then don't resist. I'm helping you.
It's not in park. I'm putting it in park.
It's a warrant for his arrest, which he doesn't know anything about. I'm not surprised. I have to say, I am not surprised. But yeah, it's actually funny. A lawyer with a warrant for his arrest, which he knows nothing about. That's what worries me. He knows a lot of things. He knows nothing about a lot of things. It seems like warrant being one of them. I'm just saying.
I'm not resisting.
Thank you for not resisting. I appreciate that. Put your hands on your back, please. I'm gonna take your phone and we'll put it right here on the thing so you can record all this if you want.
Sir, I'm not resisting. There's no warrant, I promise you.
Okay, so that's where this video ends, with him getting arrested. Now, he says he doesn't have a driver's license. To my mind, that also means he doesn't have insurance. Car is not registered. So it seems like that's a little bit of an illegal vehicle on the road. So I'm assuming the vehicle is going to get towed. He's going to go to jail for an hour or two. And yeah, all things worked out well. That's what happens when you meet up with real cops, right? Apparently he's been around the block a few times. He had a few interactions with other cops and they let him go. These two guys, they decided not to do that. And I appreciate that. You have to apply the law equally. Doesn't matter what your profession is. That's my opinion in this case. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Appreciate your time. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and say hi in the comments down there. It does help us a lot. Good. I'll see you next time.